Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you a quick plugin I made. All it does is allow you to insert bundles and characters and also a few default rigs. To make it plain and simple, you can search by name. So for example, let's say you want like Oliver, and it will find that for you, display it. You can insert the R6 version, R15, Anthro, and you can also generate a humanoid description from it. Also, I want to note one, I guess, caveat you can say is I don't check what kind of accessory it is. So if it has multiple accessories, it will all be concatenated here. So it'll be like, like that. Because as of now, humanoid descriptions, if you put all assets into one, like all accessories into one category, it will actually just place it correctly for you anyway. I'm not sure that's going to change in the future, so that might break. I might have to fix that and start crying. But life goes on. And you could also set the ID. So let's say 200. Yes, perfect. This actually has a tool, which is nice because this also supports tools. So let's say I want to select one. I want to apply it to this rig, and it will do that. Oh, phenomenal. Thank you, Roblox. But so I'll do that for you as well. You can also insert someone's character. You can search by user ID, and you can search by name. So let's say my friend, trust me, I'm Russian. He's a cool dude, makes great stuff. So you can insert R6, R15, Anthro. So let's say I'm going to select the R15. I'm going to apply to rig, and there you have it. You can also search by user ID. Now I'm going to insert my ID. I'm going to get rid of that. Right here. So I can insert like an R15, for example. Here you go. Oh, Roblox, please, Roblox. And you can also insert default rigs. You don't really need this. I just add that so it's all one place. And also that ugly UI, you're very welcome. Because you could also do this with the build rig. You can insert like a whole bunch here, but and this should be default with your Roblox Studio. But just in case you're already in here, you want to insert something very simple, you can insert R6, R15, Anthro, that sort of thing. And you can also apply to multiple things at once if you want to. For example, if you want to apply a bundle or a character all at the same time. So let's say you want some builder men's apply, and it'll take 10 years. Oh my god, that face. And that's about it. Hope this was useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.